Okay guys, so welcome back to in my tutorial. So now you can see here, so I am just going to change the protection glass of this mobile phone. It is too much easy and simple to change the protection glass. Okay guys, so first of all I am just going to remove this one. Okay, so now you can see, so here is the crack in the middle of this display of this smartphone. So that's why I'm going to change the tempered glass of this smartphone. So I'm using this trick for my Android, but it's okay. So you can use same trick in my sorry in other types of uh, okay. So I'm just yeah. So now you can see, so it is totally cracked, right? Okay, so after that, so it is totally cracked. So for this one, first of all you need to clean this one. Okay, so I'm throwing this one. So you need this type of the cleaner. So this will help you to clean the clean your uh, screen. So just you have to spray like that. Okay, then after that you have to clean this one. You need this kind of towel. Then after that you need to clean this one very slowly. Okay, okay, just clean slowly. Okay, otherwise it will not work properly. So here is something missing, so that's why it is not. Oh my god, your display display has gone. Okay, so my display has gone but still it is working, right? Yeah, like that. Okay, so after cleaning all the things, so you need to uh, just wait for a moment. Okay, okay, like that. Yeah, so after that, so you need this kind of temper glass. Okay, then after that just you have to open this one, pull out from here very slowly. Okay, so after that I am just putting this one very slowly from the top. Okay, so you have to put like this. Okay, then you have to start to put like that. Okay, so I am just pressing a little bit. Okay, then it will take little bit time. Okay guys, so it is. So now we can see here it is working perfectly, right? So now you can see here my mobile phone display has been changed completely, but it was cracked before, so that's why it's came out, but it's okay. So you can also change the protection glass in this way. So it is too much easy and simple to change the protection glass. Okay, so that's it.